Up to here it is understood, Nama? Clear? So capacitance means ability of a conductor or ability of a body to store charge. So these are the unit of capacitance. So farad is a very big unit of capacitance, so big that no body in this universe can have this much of capacitance. And this is the equation for capacitance of a spherical conductor. So potential of a conductor kq divided by r. So amount of charge stored is this much. So therefore, what is the formula for capacitance? C is equals to q by v. So q already we have calculated here, 4 pi e naught r into v. So divided by v gets cancelled. So C is equals to 4 pi e naught into r. I got value up to here. So by looking at this relation, what do you understand? Can you see? What do you understand, ma? Okay. So C is equals to 4 pi e naught into r. By looking at this relation, what do you understand? What do you understand? What we understand, sir? We don't understand anything. So here 4 pi e naught is a constant, no? 4 pi e naught is a constant. It means that capacitance is directly proportional to radius of the body. This is what we understand, no? Capacitance of a body is directly proportional to radius. It means if radius of the body increases, then the ability of the body to store a charge also increases. That is, if radius increases, capacitance of the body also increases. Clear? So this is what is called as C is directly proportional to R. Okay. Sima, Earth is also a sphere, no? Earth is a sphere or not? Earth is also a sphere, no ma? So let us try to calculate what is the capacitance of Earth, which is also a spherical conductor. Are you able to understand? So let us see. So we have C is equals to 4 pi e naught into R. This is the equation for capacitance of a spherical conductor. Are you able to understand? Okay. Now what is the radius of Earth? Radius of Earth is 6400 kilometers, or you can write, so 6400 into 10 power 3 meters. Clear, Nama? Or also you can write 6.4 into 10 power 6 meters. So this is the radius of Earth. Clear? Now you take this value and substitute in this relation. Okay, ma? So if I substitute in this relation, let us see what I will get. So C is equals to 4 pi e naught into R value. R value is how much? 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Clear, ma? And we know 1 by 4 pi e naught is how much? 9 into 10 power 9. Already we know this value, no? 1 by 4 pi e naught is equals to 9 into 10 power 9. Then 4 pi e naught will be how much? 4 pi e naught will be 1 by 9 into 10 power 9. So take this value, substitute here. So C is equals to 1 by 9 into 10 power 9 multiplied by 6.4 into 10 power 6 meter. Clear, ma? So if I do this calculation, then the value of capacitance which I will get is 711 microfarads. So this is the value which I will get. C is equals to 711 microfarads. So C is equals to 711 into 10 power minus 6 farads. Clear, Nama? So this is greater than 1 farad or less than 1 farad, ma? So 711 into 10 power minus 6 farads. Is this less than 1 farad? How much less than 1 farad? How many times less than 1 farad? Many times less than 1 farad, no? Clear, Nama? So nearly I can say it is how many times lesser? So 7 into 10 power minus 4. So approximately I can say 70,000 times lesser value when compared to 1 farad. Clear, ma? But what is the radius of Earth? Radius of the Earth is very large. Already we have studied, no? Capacitance depends on radius. So Earth is not a small sphere. Earth is a very big sphere. But still its capacitance is how much? Only 711 micrometers. Clear, Nama? So therefore, can you say any body in this universe which has a capacitance of 1 farad? It is not at all possible. So in total universe also, we cannot find a body whose capacitance is 1 farad. Okay? Because as radius increases, continuously capacitance also increases. Okay, come on, make a note up to here. Understood, Noma? So this is one property of capacitance. Okay, make a note.